Hi, hope you're having a great day. I am making for dinner grilled salmon seasoned with a powdered garlic Parmesan cheese packet. I purchased these two, not frozen, skin-on salmon fillets at the grocery store. I rinsed them in very cold water and checked for bones. The skin on the salmon is shiny and there is no fish smell. This indicates to me that the salmon is fresh. I sprinkle on the seasonings while my cast iron grill skillet is heating to a medium-high temperature. I coat the grill skillet with vegetable oil. I am making some white rice and asparagus as my side dishes. The skillet is about ready for the salmon. I test the grill temperature by splashing some water to see if it sizzles. Yes, it is ready for the fish. The salmon is set on the grill with the skin side down. I will cover the salmon with a cover that will let just enough steam escape. And I won't get a splattered countertop to have to clean up afterwards. The asparagus is getting tender. Just look at the bright green color. Everything is coming along nicely. The fish is ready to be removed from the grill. Watch as I can remove the salmon without having to remove the skin. The skin easily comes off the fillet as I take the fish out of the pan. You can see how the juices are thickened. This dinner is almost ready. Look at the grill and you can see the skin that has come off of the fillet. What an easy method. The asparagus is tossed with some butter just before I plate it alongside the salmon. So dinner is ready. I appreciate that you have tuned in to watch this recipe. I hope you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.